So students, we are proceeding for the next topic, resolution of a vector. Till now we have seen how the vector is represented, what are the vector and scalar quantities, their differences. We have also learned how to how to add two vectors or composition of vectors. We have learned composition of vectors. Now we are going to learn about resolution of vectors. Resolution of vector is exactly opposite process that of the composition of vectors. So resolution of vector can be considered as opposite process of composition of vector. Now first of all, let us define what is resolution of vector. So resolution of vector is the process. It is the process of splitting a vector into two or more vectors in such a way that their combined effect is the same as that of the given vector. Okay, the vectors into which the given vector is splitted is called component of vectors. मीन्स क्या होता है कि जिस वेक्टर को हम रिजॉल्व करते हैं वो कंपोनेंट वेक्टर्स का रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर होता है. मतलब इट इज द रिवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ कंपोजिशन मतलब एडिशन ऑफ टू और मोर वेक्टर्स. कंपोजिशन मतलब टू फाइंड आउट द वेक्टर विच गिव्स द combined effect of the given vectors, to find the resultant vector which gives the combined effect of the given component vectors. तो उसको हम बोलते थे composition of vectors. और यहाँ पर है resolution मीन्स कोई वेक्टर दिया है तो उसको स्प्लिट करना है one or more than one vectors में. A component of the vector is in any direction gives a measure of the effect of the given vector in the direction. The resolution of vector is just over. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है जो मैंने आपको बताया, यहाँ पर वो क्लियर कट लिखा हुआ है. क्या लिखा हुआ है? The resolution of a vector is just the opposite process of the composition of vector. Now let us understand how this particular thing happens. See, suppose I have a vector. This is a vector R. Vector R. I would like to resolve vector R in two directions, in the direction of vector A and in the direction of vector B. In these two directions I would like to resolve this vector R. Now what will I do? I will draw parallel vectors of this particular vector A. This particular vector A. I will draw the parallel vector. I am finding something which through which I can draw the parallel vector. See, I am writing the parallel vector of A over here at the tail of the vector R. I have drawn parallel vector at the tail of the vector R. This parallel vector is there in the direction of A. Now I am drawing a parallel vector of B. I am drawing the parallel vector of B in the direction where that particular direction will meet the vector in R. So as B is parallel to R, I cannot resolve it in direction of B. So I have to take B in another direction like this. This B I would like to take. Now I am drawing the parallel vector of B in this direction like this way. Okay, I have drawn a parallel. So I can represent R as the combined effect of these two vectors. See, this is O, this is P, and this is Q. So here O vector OP is in the direction of vector A, and PQ is in the direction of vector B, and OQ is their resultant, that is OP plus PQ. Now we can easily see that vector OP is not exactly vector A. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका मैग्नीट्यूड अलग अलग है. Magnitude of OP is not equal to magnitude of A. Rather than we can write magnitude OP is equal to some multiple of A, that is say lambda times of A. Similarly here also vector PQ, magnitude of vector PQ is not exactly equal to magnitude of B. ठीक है, that means the magnitude of PQ is some multiple mu of B. So if I would like to write the vector addition, that is I would like to represent R, then what should we write? If I would like to represent vector R, at that time I have to write vector R is equal to nothing but lambda times vector A plus mu times vector B. So this is nothing but resolution of vector R in the direction of vector A and vector B. हमने R को A के डायरेक्शन में और B के डायरेक्शन में बांट दिया, तो हम किसी भी वेक्टर को किसी भी डायरेक्शन में बांट सकते हैं. एंड फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, ये जो कंपोजिशन, ये जो रिजोल्यूशन है वेक्टर का, जो हम रिजोल्यूशन करते हैं, ये रिजोल्यूशन जो है वो यूनिक होता है और किसी भी डायरेक्शन में हो सकता है. जैसे ये दिस इज नॉट अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, दिस इज सम अदर डायरेक्शन, सो हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में कर सकते हैं. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई वुड लाइक टू टेक. चलो और एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. सपोज ये वेक्टर है जिसको हम बोलेंगे वेक्टर x, और उसको मुझे करना है वेक्टर p एंड वेक्टर q के डायरेक्शन में. जैसे कि हम करते हैं, कैसे करना है? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ the parallel line of P over here. So P के parallel line approximately I am drawing over here. I have drawn the parallel line of P. I would like to draw the line Q parallel to Q, and which will meet over here. So this is the line parallel to Q I have drawn over here. So suppose this is OA. OA is vector x. Then OP, which is in direction of P, and PQ, PX, PA, which is in direction of Q, is the resolution of vector. So हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Vector x is lambda times of P plus mu times of Q. ये देख सकते हो ना, ये P के मल्टीपल में. If this is the magnitude of P, then it is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. That is x is equal to approximately 5 times of P. And if this is Q, this is magnitude of Q, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 times of Q. So this way we can resolve any vector in any direction. Acha, second thing is you can resolve the vectors in मल्टीपल वेक्टर्स ऑल्सो, एक से ज्यादा वेक्टर में भी रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी दैट एग्जांपल. सपोज आई वुड लाइक टू रिजॉल्व सम वेक्टर इन मल्टीपल डायरेक्शन. सपोज दिस वेक्टर p I will to resolve in direction of vector a, vector b and vector c. Vector a, vector b and vector c. First of all, what should I do? I should have to draw vector a parallel to this line. Then what should I do? I should have to draw the vector b parallel to this. Vector b के parallel डाल दिया. And then what should I to do? I have to draw vector c. So vector c would be more here. So this is the first vector, first resolved vector. This is the second resolved vector, and this is the third resolved vector. This is the first component in the direction of a, this is the second component in direction of b, and this is the third component in direction of c. So we can resolve any vector in multiple component also. We can resolve the vector in multiple component also. So this is the resolution of vector which we have seen over here. So resolution of vector is just the opposite process of composition of vector. Now we can see how the resolution happens. As we have already seen it, but still we will look it very closely how to these vectors are resolved in different directions. See, suppose we wish to resolve vector r in the direction of two coplanar vectors, vector a and vector b, as shown in figure. Vector r is to be resolved. I have drawn parallel to vector a line OP, and I have drawn parallel to vector b line PQ. Suppose OQ represents vector r through O. Q draw line parallel to vector AB respectively to meet the point P from the triangle law vector addition. OQ is equal to OP plus PQ. This is what just we have done. Okay. तो यह जो है वो यूनिक होता है. दिस इज यूनिक. तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू resolve differently in different direction. So this is called the resolution of vector.